Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy head shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of 89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz, and today I'm going to be doing a video on two things. One, how to do an EGR delete on your J32 for free, and two is if you've got a no power issue, like if you put your key in the ignition, you got no power, no start, nothing. I'm going to show you, especially if you have a new battery and new starter. I'm going to show you what to do. So first off, I'm going to start with that because that got me the other day. I was being a bit dumb and I was working on the alternator. I forgot to disconnect the battery, and when I was in here, the wrench touched. You can actually see it right there. So when I did that, I finished working on the car, did whatever, went inside, decided I'm gonna go get some pizza, and the car wouldn't start. There was no lights on the dash, nothing. I'm like, oh, I forgot to connect the battery. Nope, it was connected. So then I'm like, what the hell? And I instantly go to the fuse box. Well, this fuse right here was popped completely. And this thing is not something that places stock regularly. So do yourself a favor, go on Amazon and buy a 2-pack of them, because that will leave you stranded on this car, and there's not really much you can do about it, especially because part stores don't stock them and it takes them at least a day to get it. So heed my warning there. And actually, any of these cartridge fuses are a bit trickier to get than these normal ones, so keep that in mind, you guys. Now, to the EGR delete. What you're going to do is you're just going to pop off your EGR valve, and it's going to not look like this. It's going to have a big thing on the top. You're basically going to cut the edges, and then you can basically just twist it back and forth. The middle piece will break off. Now, you don't do this to a good valve. Do it to one that's already dead. If yours is working still, there's not any point to do this. If it dies, then you might want to do this because it's just for emissions anyways. But yeah, don't do this to a good part. So you cut the top off basically, and then there's going to be a little gear here. You take a screw, put some sealant around it, thread it in there. This doesn't look pretty. This is just because it's free. Now, if you want to buy the delete kit, it's only like $60, but I'm not spending that right now. I have other stuff to buy on this car. So then you got that, and then there's a gasket in here with these two screws. These screws, make sure that's still there. And then here's the part where you need to pay attention. This hole, the round one, has to be blocked off. If exhaust gas gets through there, you will have misfires at idle and your car will not run good. I didn't know this, so that's what I'm addressing right now. So what I've done, I'm in Canada, and it turns out that a dime fits perfectly, like quite literally perfect in there. So I'm just going to get some exhaust putty, put it on the bottom side of the dime, set that in there, put some exhaust putty here, and might put some on the gasket down there on the low spots too, and I will report back with how it goes. Okay, there's a third thing I'm going to mention in this video, and that is pop the top of the intake off. And this is disgusting. I've never in my life seen an intake so caked up with carbon. Like, look at that. It breaks off. Look at this. I am going to clean this, and I'm assuming that's going to make it run a lot better. Hopefully. I don't see why it wouldn't. That's crazy. Oh my god. Holy. Look at all the oil in here. Oh, that's definitely something we're gonna do right now. Holy. Look at how gummed up that is. Oh my god. Okay, so far, this is all the carbon that I've taken out. But man, that is great. I never expected there to be this much. That's a lot. I'm gonna have to vacuum this out, and I don't know about the middle here, do something. That is crazy. I never expected there to be this much. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna show you how to clean this and just get a flat head and just scrape away at the surface. Look at all this. And you just kind of chip away at it. Until you can basically see metal. It's going to take me like an hour, but it's probably going to be worth it because that is robbing a lot of horsepower. Look, every single one of these ports is clogged. Like, that is crazy, dude. I'm going to get a vacuum in here. But yeah, definitely check this on your car. I bet you it'll make more power. I promise you, honestly. Alright. We have cleaned, yeah, there's a hole down there. Cleaned it all up. So hopefully the car runs better with it like this. We'll see.